Sanibonani Mzansi Afrika, igama lami ngoMusa wakamseleko. Ngithi ngomhla ka4 October na kanjani ngizobe ngilapha ekseni eThekwini elangeni ehotela ngihamba nabakwa Old Mutual. Ngibiza abesifazane, ngibiza abesilisa, ngithi ngizokhuluma nani ngoba uma ngabe ningezi sizokhuluma ngama-will nizothi senifile nisidalele inkinga. Owesifazane owesilisa uyayidinga iwili ngoba sifuna uku-avoid ekutheni iy'ngane zingalwi zibanga isicathulo zibanga isiponu. Ube wena unelungelo njengamanje lokudecide ukuthi into zakho ziyonganyelwa ubani na kanjani on the 4th of October ngo-9 in the morning.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, TikTok, they are so funny. So musamsele ku post a video namuhla invite abantu lapha eThekwini for into lato banayo nje lato bahamba nombuzo uhamba nabantu bakaClients kumbe uhamba nabantu bakupha ngisayilandzela ngendzaba but people started dragging him. Oh, instead of ukuthi bantu ba-comment ngalento le musamseleke kukhuluma ngayo, abantu bavele babrancha bathi khulumela ngetintabo letisemaceleni. Uthi anqubza 179 yena usuyithathile yini medical aid webaba. Uthi Zipho yena uyeda, angifuna ungitshele kahle khona nofuna ungitshele kahle, ngifuna lento ungitshele ngikubuki. Uthi Lizzy Ebb yena usakhaliswa kwi-ambulance manje, so uLizzy ukhuluma ngalesikhathi kusadlala le show uthando nesithembu because bekahlala khala sebathi awusakhaliswa kwe-ambulance manje. Mara guys, nemendani mulo mdzala, do you guys know mara ukuthi Musa Mseleko umdzala le ndlela nimdraga kakhona nikhuluma ngaye ngakhona lapha kuma-comment section eyamahloni kimi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.